Hello friends, welcome to EduShare Center. Today we are going to see how to fill up the Mtet online application step by step. Before proceeding to the main points, please subscribe this video and like this video so that we can make more informative video regarding Mtet in the future. So let's start today's session. The first, you have to open the Chrome browser either in the laptop or in the mobile phone. I already opened it, and in the search box you just have to type then D.E.L.Ed and click on the search, and you can see the Department of Education Government of Meghalaya website is visible at the first page, and you have to click on it. The website is opening, and in the left panel you can see there is an option called notice board. Here it is the notice board. You just click on it. The website is open. Just scroll down, and you can see in the fourth row there is an option called online application form for Mtet 2023. Just click on it and your form is opening, and you can see the important instruction is opening in front of you. Before fill up the form, you have to read carefully all the instruction, and the important point is here is you have to upload the scan copy of your image and your signature, and the size of the signature and image should not be exceed more than 100 KB. If you are having any trouble to reduce the size of photo and signature to make it less than 100 KB, don't worry. At the end of the video I will show you how to reduce the size of any image. And let's start. And the application panel is opening, and here you can see the register as a new user. Just click on it. And you can see in register online, first you have to put your mobile number, email address and the captcha. On send OTP. The OTP number is sent to your mobile phone by the SMS, and you just have to enter the OTP number. And one OTP will come to your email also. You have to check your email. On verify OTP. Yes, your email ID and mobile number has successfully registered, and click on continue. Enter all the details like your first name, your middle name and your last name. Then enter the date of birth. Then enter your gender, and in below you can see the status of the candidate. And in the right side you can see the relationship with your parents. Select the category you belong from. I belong from general, so I select the general. And in the below you can see, are you a person with the disability? If you are belong from the disability category, then select yes, and if you are not, then select no. And In below you can see there's the address line. You just enter your address, and there's a qualification section. You can add your qualification, what exam you passed. And just click on add. Your qualification is added. You can add the more qualification like your graduation, your class 12, or if you have done the many qualification, you can add as more as your education qualification. In the next column you can see there is a professional qualification. Here also you have to add like D.El.Ed, B.Ed. What you have did the D.El.Ed and B.Ed both, you enter both B.Ed and D.El.Ed. So you have to select the status. If you are in the final semester, then you just select the pursuing, or you already have passed, and then select the pass and click on add. If you have a D.El.Ed degree or other degree, you can add also. As much as degree you have, you add all the degree so that it will be better. And then there is an option called save and continue. Here you can see the based on the information entered, please see the following. Eligibility, that means I entered the B.Ed, that's why I am not eligible for the Mtet lower primary. So if you have both B.Ed or D.El.Ed degree, you just enter both the degree primary only. Then are you want to proceed? Yes. Yes. Then you have to upload the documents and choose select. Here I already scanned the photo. I just select photo and done. Photo is included, and they're asking for signature. So save the signature. Yes, I select both the photo and the signature. You can see in the right side the both photo and the name is visible, and you just click save and continue. And here is the option, the list of Mtet examination. I already mentioned you, I entered only B.Ed, that's why I am eligible for Mtet upper primary only, and then continue. Then you have to select the language, the after primary. The language I have to select. This is the first language. Select Assamese. You select as according to your, and then select. If you are from the science background, then select maths and science, and if you are from the arts background, then select the social studies. Select maths and science, and then you have to payment, and then there is a fee is showing the right side of you. You just apply and make payment. So I will not apply, so I will not pay payment. That's all for the online application of Mtet. So be careful and read all the instruction before apply, and should not do any mistakes. So if you do any mistakes, then there will be no chance of correction. So it's better to do very carefully. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Just type image reducer on the Chrome browser, and you will find the website is opening. And in the first line you see the image reducer. Just click on it, and then we have to select the image option you will see resize image. Above the resize image you see the quality of image.